In this video we will show you how to poach an egg. Take a sauté pan. Pour water up to 1.5 inches or 3/4 of the sauté pan. Pour 3 tablespoons of vinegar. Adding vinegar prevents the egg white from dispersing in the water. Bring the water to a simmer until it reaches 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit. Break an egg into a ramekin, then gently slide the egg into the water. Use very fresh eggs. The fresher the eggs are, the less the white will spread during cooking. Wait for it to rise back to the surface, then carefully wrap the white around the yolk using a spatula. Simmer for 4.5 minutes in 82 degrees Celsius or 180 degrees Fahrenheit, until the white is opaque. Remove the egg using a slotted spoon or a wooden spatula. Refresh in a bowl of cold water for 1 minute. Do not overcook. Overcooked poached eggs have rubbery whites and firm yolks, and just don't taste good. Now it's ready to eat. The white should be cooked and the yolk runny. An ideal poached egg has a firm white and a gooey but still runny yolk.